You should go to the front. Okay. Okay. No. Hi.
Did you guys call?
No,
Oh, we didn't. About to sit?
we just came in to order. Okay.
Okay, so
Can.
is that all for you guys?
Oh, you don't order already.
You know what you wanted already? Yeah. I remember what you guys wanted.
That's a place for the spoon.
Yeah. I
Container.
didn't notice
Oh,
that.
that's so cute.
Yeah, right into a cab driver. That played for it. The quarterback for Semi-Pro League that she ran. Yeah, her driving cab. Uber. Leader.
So I'll show you the bowl. So I'm going to charge you for this.
Once it's done, talk to you too for that. Trying to help Chris right now?
So fast.
There we go. You guys got condiments and utensils?
Yeah, I got them already. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you put it in the
Okay. There you go, babe.
Thank you.
Bye.
Go there. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we're outside Aloha Cones. This is our favorite poke bowl place, and then Cheryl always gets a shrimp tempura bowl, yeah. And Aloha Cones is located on School Street and Hofkin, and it's right by the new Rainbow Drive-In. So you guys should check it out. It's awesome. They have a lot of good other stuff here. I like my favorite, so that's why I always get that. I get the limu ahi poke. But yep, come check it out. They're open from 10:30 to I don't know what time, but I'll post it in our description. Yeah.
Okay, so Luke ordered the ahi limu poke. I got the shrimp tempura bowl. And there's your sides. Looks so good.
What is this again? This is a daikon.
Daikon, shredded daikon.
This
crab
is crab salad. Limu ahi poke and then cucumbers.
Yeah.
And Cheryl gets the tempura, shrimp tempura.
Yeah, shrimp tempura
With
bowl.
edamame, crab salad, avocado, cucumbers, and then the daikon. We're at Kewalo Basin right now. We're just gonna eat our Aloha Cones food. You got Diamond Head in the background there, and you can see Ala Moana Beach a little on the left or straight ahead. And yep. Anyways, let's eat. Hungry.
So good.
Yeah, their fish is fresh. I like all the greens in here. The crab salad adds to it. This is good. How much was this? About?
$11.
About $11.
Yeah,
Yeah,
about
10, 11. In the new location next to Rainbow Drive-In on Hoftailing and School Street, North School Street or something. But you can't miss it. They have two parking lots in the back. If the closer one's full, just park in the one right next to it. It's a bigger parking lot.
Okay, Aloha Cones is open every day from 10:30 a.m. and they close at 7 p.m. except Saturdays, Sundays when they close at 4 p.m. Yeah, I didn't know they open on Sundays.
Cool.
So that's good.
Aloha Cones also has a location at Pearl Ridge, uptown. And they're right near the entrance door, and they share a space with Mauna Kea Miss. You may not see their sign so big, but yeah, if you see Mauna Kea Miss, you'll find Aloha Cones there too. It's has a lot of seating in that area. It's good. They're all good everywhere they go. You can check out Aloha Cones on Instagram, and they also have a website, which I'll put a link below. And they're on Facebook, and I forgot what else I was gonna say. But check them out. They're really good. Food is so ono. And yeah, check out the new location. They on North School Street and Hoftailing.
And I think they're gonna have a grand opening soon. They only had a soft opening, so not too many people I think know about their new location.
Oh yeah.
So hopefully after watching this, you guys will go down and visit them.
Yeah, I'll go
They're
check
really
them out.
nice. They're really
Super
nice.
nice, yeah.
The Kalihi store.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say hi to Malia.